Dear Robinhood Bros, oh my gosh. I think I just might have already upset you guys just a little bit by the title of my video. Look, you guys have had a great run of it. Nasdaq's up 44%. You bought the dip. Man, you think Warren Buffett is old school? He's a has-been. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Billions, millions, who cares? We're in charge now, and that's what you guys have got yourself believing, that you guys are running the show, that you're the captain now. Look, I get it. You guys got a little extra play money. You're either taking your savings, dumping it in the stock market, you got some unemployment money, plus an extra $600 a week. You got the $1,200 stimulus check. Life is good. Throw it in the stock market. Why not? You know more than Warren Buffett. You know more than his billions. Get in it. And what's even better is you guys got your fancy cliches to hold you guys steady through the storm. Buy the dip. Money printer go brr. NJ we trust, and my favorite, don't fight the Fed. You guys say these things as if you made them up. People have been saying don't fight the Fed for ages. And you guys think you're a rocket scientist coming up with this on your own. You're running home at night and you're watching Mad Money. It's like, go buy stocks. Buy stocks, buy. The house of pain. Stocks only go up. V-shaped bottom. You guys have got it all figured out, man. I had a guy tell me a couple of weeks ago, hey Ryan, I don't need your help. I've got this whole market figured out. I just put $1,000 in the stock market and made $200 trading MFA. All right, you got it figured out, man. You don't need my help. You don't need any advice, man. You got it figured out. But on a more serious note, have you guys seen the trash that you're buying? Hertz. People, you're buying Hertz. The stock is so awful that they don't even want you buying their stock. They're telling you it's going to zero. Let me tell you, if you're looking at it from a technical standpoint, there is some rock solid support at $0.00. You just rely on that $0 mark because it's going to test it and it's not bouncing. But you go ahead and keep buying it. Dude, literally, it was up 2.56%. They're even diluting their shares right now and you guys are still buying this thing. It's not coming back. I went down the street. The office is empty. The cars are gone. They're not coming back. But you guys keep buying it. Don't fight the Fed. There's so much to tell you guys. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get it all into this video. But guys, you are going to destroy yourselves. But that's okay. You've had a good run of it. You guys think you got it figured out, that it's stocks only go up forever. You just ride that wave, baby, okay? Because it's going to come down on you hard and it's going to come down on you fast. You think last Thursday when the stock market and the S&P 500 dropped 188 points, that was just like a flash in the pan? No, that was a shot across the bow. It's coming back and it's going to nail you bad. Buy the dip! Let me tell you about what a pump and dump scheme is, okay? It's where the people who are already in the stock before it's ever made its move start pumping the stock. They tell you how great it is. It's going to the moon. It's going to be a rocket. It's the next Tesla, NKLA. Hertz isn't going bankrupt. CHK's not going out of business. They want you to buy the stock. So why? So they can sell you their shares on the way up and they can get out at a higher price. Because guess what? Oftentimes these stocks are illiquid. They don't have any way to sell these shares. So they're going to dupe you into buying it. You're the dupe. You're buying it. You're falling right into their plans. But let's look at the latest pump and dump, FMCI. There's a certain trader out there, hashtag DDTG, not going to mention any names, telling you how great. I don't even know. He was calling it Tattoo Chef. I don't know what that is. I don't know what FMCI is. All I know is this is a pump and dump. They're pumping it up. They're going to dump the shares on you. What do you think this candle is right here? That's distribution. Yeah, it's up 8%. It didn't move from where it opened up. It tried to sell off. Guess what? They pump it back up, gets it right back up. They get it all the way up to 20. They start selling you their shares while you keep buying it up. What's it going to do? It's going right back down. I don't even have to know what this is. I can tell you, it's going right back down. UONE. This is FMCI probably in a couple days. UONE, look at this trash. It was up at $40 a share. Yes. Who was the guy that bought it? 40.00. Literally, somebody bought at $40 a share exactly as the highest it went. I would just like to shake that guy's hand. Seriously, I just want to shake the hand. $40 a share. It's trading at $12.71 now. Why are you guys buying this trash? Why? Because you fear of missing out. FOMO. You want to just YOLO your way up to riches. You think that the stock market is an easy path. Here's the thing that I would like to tell you right now. If you're trading because you don't have any sports to gamble on, you have a problem. Go seek help. You can't handle not being able to bet on sports for just a couple of months? You may have a problem. I wouldn't go to the stock market, okay? Because the stock market will be merciless to you. You think the sports world's bad? Wait until you get a load of the stock market. They will destroy you. And it doesn't seem like that now, but it will be. And here's the funny thing. You guys are all beating up Warren Buffett. I'm not even really a fan of Buffett. Not because I don't think he's good. I think he's great at what he does. It's just not my style of trading. He's more of an investor. I'm more of a swing trader. But you guys are beating him up like he's the old guard, like he doesn't know what he's talking about. He can't relate to today. Guys, he's made billions, more than anybody in the stock market ever. Who's made more than Warren Buffett? And you guys are gonna hit him with your stimulus check? Come on. But what's even funnier is that you guys keep talking about like, oh, you gotta be buying when everyone else is fearful. Who do you think said that? Let me think. Hold on, wait for it, wait for it. Warren Buffett said that. He was the one that tells you you gotta be fearful when everybody else is greedy and greedy when everybody else is fearful. You're taking a page out of his playbook and then you're bashing him with it. But you go ahead and just keep buying that dip. And now you guys have run out of 4-letter stocks to buy and now you're going after the 5-letter ones. Let me tell you, here's just a quick, simple tip for the stock market. If it's got 5 letters and it doesn't contain the letters G-O-O-G-L, you might want to move on to the next trade, okay? But here's Panasonic Corporation. Aren't they like the camcorders? Like, what are they doing right now? I don't know. But don't go after these 5-letter stocks. Why do I know this is trash? It's a $9 stock with only 83,000 shares being traded daily. Today it jumped up to 1.4 million. You may be a Robinhood bro if you're holding PCFRY, which by the way is the biggest net change today on the Robinhood app in the way of new positions. But hey, let's not stop there. We like UONE at $40. Let's go after UONE, but let's throw a K on there too. I don't even know what the heck this is. What is going on here? But you guys liked it so much at plus $6 that you're buying it at $2. Okay, go for it. Stocks only go up. Again, you're being duped. You're part of the pump and dump game, except you're on the equation that's buying into the pump and holding on when there's the dump. All because that you think that the Fed is invincible and that they're just gonna come save the day. They don't care about UONEK or PCFRYXYZ. They don't. It's not gonna save you guys. Again, if you're buying anything that's 5 letters that's not Google, just stop. And if you're buying Hertz still, delete your account. Please, do yourself a favor. You're not doing me a favor, I'm helping you. 20, 30 years from now, you're gonna see that Hertz is out of business and you're gonna be like, thank you, Ryan. Thank you for getting me out of that Hertz trade. And thank you for letting me save a whole lot of my hard-earned stimulus cash. But look, I would be remiss if I just did a video just bashing you guys. I'm not trying to bash you guys. I'm trying to help you guys by trying to bring to light the shortcomings and the fallacy of what your trading is. First off, if you've created a spreadsheet thinking that, okay, if I make 10% on every trade going forward, I'm going to be a millionaire by the time I'm 26, you may need to stop trading. The stock market doesn't care about your spreadsheets. It doesn't care about your feelings, your hopes, your dreams, your needs, your wants. It doesn't care about any of it. Just stop that. Don't try to forecast your potential gains into the future. You just worry about making good trades that don't include 5-letter and stocks under $10. Let's give you some more rules because again, I'd be remiss if I didn't try to help you out in this video like I try to do in all my videos. All my videos I try to help you out. That's what I'm doing here. So let's get to that. Rule number 1. Don't buy stocks under $10. Oh my gosh, Ryan, I can buy so many shares. Shares do not make you money. Percentages make you money. Who cares if you're buying 1 share or you're buying a bazillion shares? It doesn't matter. New traders have this idea that somehow more shares equals more profit opportunity. Shares mean nothing. If that's the case, they should just split the shares on every stock out there and maybe you'll double your money, huh? No, don't fall for that trap. Buy good quality stocks. Rule number 2. We're not trading anything with more than 5 letters. That's the 3rd time I've said that in this video. Stop it. Rule number 3. Use stop losses. For a beginner, don't take a stop loss more than 10%. Find a trade setup that has a good solid price support, no more than 10% below the ideal entry point. You do that, you're gonna start limiting your losses. Rule number 4. Don't get into positions where you're sticking all your money onto 1 stock. Try to have a portfolio of 4 or 5 stocks. At least then you can limit the losses if things go haywire. And no, that does not mean you buy HTZ, NKLA, CHK, UONE, and FMCI. No, we're not doing that. Rule number 5, 6? Number 5? Maybe we'll go with 5. Turn off the news and turn off Twitter. And definitely don't follow somebody that's only been doing this for a couple of months here. Please, just turn that off. It's noise, unless you're watching me, my YouTube channel or my Twitter feed, then you're okay. Rule number 6? Yes, 6. Trade what you see, not what you think. I've been saying this for ages. 20 years probably. Don't trade what you think. What you think, what your gut tells you? No, you trade what you see. What is the chart telling you? UONEK. That is not a chart that when you look at it says, I need to be getting into that. No, there's huge risk. you're gonna lose it. Well, Ryan, it's okay. I'm getting another check next week from Uncle Sam. No, that's gonna run out in July, okay? If you were smart, you were probably putting that away and saving it for a rainy day. Because throwing away all this free money, guys, this is like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Literally, the government's paying you more money not to work than to work right now. Take advantage of that. Go on a vacation. You'll probably remember it in a much more positive light. And here's the thing. Don't think that I don't know what you're doing. Every morning you're waking up, you're taking the shortcuts, you're going to see, what is so-and-so trading? That's what I'm going to do. Or, better yet, what are the top percentage gainers in the pre-market? That's what I'm going to follow. Let me tell you, Wall Street's pumping those things up so that they can sell it to you during the equity session. That's all they're doing. They're pumping it up, they're selling it to you. That's why you have the UONEs, and that's why you have right now the FMCI. They're just pumping it up, they're going to sell it right to you. You're going to be the bag holder every time. Look, I get it. You guys are going to mock me. You're probably going to hate this video. You're probably going to give me a thumbs down. I don't care. But guess what? I'm doing this to help you. You're going to thank me. Many years from now, you're going to say, man, I remember that one guy on YouTube. He's probably wearing the same stupid shirts that he's always wearing still to this day, which will probably be true. However, was I right or was I not? I was right. Think about it, guys. Look what we're dealing with, and there's no resolution to it. You have a pandemic that's the worst since 1918. You have an economy that's the worst since 1929. You have the worst riots going on across the country since 1968. For many of you, you weren't even born before then. I wasn't either. I wasn't around for any of those things. I was born in 1980. I'll be 40 next month. These are new things that I've never even experienced. Don't think that you have a handle on the market. The market is made to humble you. And it will. At some point or another, it's going to destroy you. And if you always go on through life thinking that you have an upper hand on the market, you're never going to learn from it. You're not better than the market. You just simply react to the market. That's how winning is done. Oh, but Ryan, if I tweet about it enough on StockTwits and I tweet enough about it on Twitter, oh, the stock market will go up. Guys, on top of all that I just mentioned, we've got a stock market bubble and a stock market crash in the same year. And it's only June. We're not even done with June. And what's even funnier is you think that the bears are your worst enemy. Guys, I'm only telling you to be cautious in this market because I've been in these kinds of markets before. I've been in the 1999s. I've been in the 2007s. I know what it's like. I've seen the 2018 crash that we had over a 3-month period. It can get very ugly. And when you get these little counter rallies, they lull you into this false sense of security, thinking that it's going to be okay, only for it to go down and break the previous lows. Oh, but Ryan, look what the Fed's doing. Don't fight the Fed, BTFD. Guys, we're not buying the dip here at all-time highs. There's no dip to buy at this point. The risk reward is off the charts horrible right now. Yes, I know I've been using the word bubble a lot. We are in a bubble, but you guys aren't going to see it that way. You're going to say, nope, stonks only go up. Stonks only can go higher. Guess what? You don't think that we're in a bubble because you are the bubble. Recognize that. Prepare yourself because the day of reckoning is coming. And if you don't manage the risk, if you don't start using stop losses, and if you don't start respecting the market, you're going to get destroyed. Stop it now. Stop trading the HTZs, the CHKs, the 5-letter stock symbols. Start going for quality. Be willing to go cash where you need to go cash at. I am so light on this market, it's crazy right now. Yes, there's been opportunities that I've been able to make 20% on win, but guess what? I'm not mortgaging my future on this market bounce that I know is destined to be the biggest bull trap. Oh, but Ryan, you're just another one of those perma bears that I see on YouTube, and he doesn't know what the heck he's talking about because I'm making all this money. I've taken $1,000 and made $3,000 off of it. Guys, if I was just trading with $1,000, you know how easy that would be? No, but when you have something to lose, you're not going to be risking it on a crappy stock like Hertz or CHK or FMCI. No, you're going to be smarter than that. And if you're not, then you deserve to lose your money. Now, I know I've been joking a lot with you guys in this video, and I don't even want you guys to take offense to it, but I do want you to learn from it, okay? I know that not everybody's using stimulus checks or unemployment checks or whatever it is to fund their Robinhood accounts. Some of you are using savings accounts. Maybe some of you guys are using second mortgages or credit lines. I don't know. Maybe you just have some cash laying around. That's fine. But don't think you have the edge on this market. Don't think that you have the upper hand on this market because the market will humiliate you. Some of this stuff I'm saying for jokes, but there's truth in what I'm saying here, guys. If you don't respect the market, it's going to destroy you. Retail investors are always the bag holders. And look, it's kind of like Noah's Ark. I know that I can't save everybody here. If I can get just a couple of you people on the boat, maybe it'll be worth it to have made this video. Use the stop losses, manage the risk, stay away from these 5-letter symbols, stay away from the stocks trading under $10. Don't worry how many shares you can buy. Manage the risk, buy some quality stuff. Go to cash if you have to. If you want to short it, that's fine, but realize the risk in that too. In the end, we'll all live to trade another day. Thank you and God bless.